If you want to change sound EQ on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately we do not have a built-in option that allows us to change the EQ of the sound on the phone. So what you can do instead is you can go to the Play Store and you can download an app, and that allows us to, of course, make that change. So we can use the search option here at the bottom, and then we can search for something like either like sound EQ or audio EQ or just Equalizer. And there we go, you should be able to find many different example apps that at least in theory should allow you to, of course, adjust the EQ on your phone. In case one of these apps do not work for you, you can of course uninstall them and get another one until you find something that you are actually happy with. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to use it to, of course, change the sound EQ. So once it is available, you want to turn it on, you want to open the app. Of course, you might see some sort of free trial or a premium offer, which usually we can close very easily. Over here we have the welcome information, so we can tap on next and then finish. Of course, you might see an ad as well, but you should be able to skip it after like a couple of seconds. So let's skip that. And now in this case, we can just turn on the equalizer by using this switcher here on the right side, and you might want to grant the permission for the app to send you notifications. Over here, we can now move the sliders up and down to adjust the loudness for different frequencies. And if you are not sure what exactly these sliders do and how they work, you can just use presets. So over here, we can find many different presets, and ideally you want to change them while listening to something. So you can play your favorite songs, and then you can definitely hear a difference while switching between all of these different EQ presets. So then you can find the perfect one for you. Everyone has different preferences, so I'm not going to recommend anything specific over here. Just find your favorite one over here. Besides that, you can toggle the bass boost. So if you want to have a simple switcher for the bass boost, then here you can find it. You can also toggle the loudness and virtualizer. But besides that, we can find these three dots in the upper right corner where you can, for example, find some settings. So if you need some additional settings, then be sure to check them out. Of course, some of the features are going to be available only after like paying for the premium version, but there are some features that you can use for free, so that shouldn't be really any problem. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.